morning. I am Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report. And, I just want to remind people, coming up on June 11th, we've got our Mastering Iron Condors and Butterfly course. You can go to OptionPit.com/condor to learn all about it. All sorts of great things. Well, how about this market today? Quite the rally. We got the S&P 500 up about 18, the VIX back below 15 again. The VIX futures, holy cow. Talk about a slam dunkaroo. This is, they were leading the cash index. The regular June future is below 17 now. So it's still a decent 2-point spread, but they're starting to really take this stuff down significantly. Even some of the longer term stuff is backing off a little bit. July and August, still steep, but not overly. But starting to seem a little more normal. Let's just say that. Just a spectacular kind of change in volatility. Now, VIX is still 15 though, so it's a nice little move. But VIX is still bid. NDX is, and the Dow. We're not getting a Russell reading right now, which is odd. Let's see what IWM is doing. IWM's up over 1%, so nice move. Look at the just thrashing of UVXY and VXX. Just utter domination by the overall market and a huge pop. I think we're going to keep meandering higher. I think you could see the SPX go to 2080, 2085. Maybe even 2100 this week. This week lines up for a week where we meander and meander and meander. I'm actually frankly shocked that we're moving 18 points in one day. I was expecting more, 9 points a day over the 5-day period. For those of you that are short vol, that are looking for an opportunity to cover or clean up positions, I think today is your opportunity to potentially set up those trades to unwind vol. I think if today's not the bottom in vol for the week, tomorrow will be. So just be ready to allow volatility to come out and take profits. A lot of people think that Friday, this Friday is when all the vol for the long weekend is going to come out. No, it's coming out today and tomorrow. Tomorrow at the latest, they're going to take this stuff out. All of Monday will be out. And so, along with the rally, just be aware that you may see the bottom in the VIX futures, not the cash VIX, but the VIX futures may bottom out by the end of the day today or midday tomorrow. So there's going to be some opportunities to cover. Short vol makes some sense to unwind. Interestingly, Apple continues to rally, a little more of a move in transpos today. Some of the retail stocks don't look so bad this morning. Financials, look at another nice little move in JP Morgan and Goldman. I like both of those to those. I think it appears that we may go straight up today, guys. We've been kind of waiting to break out, and maybe today is the day where we get a little bit of a breakout, at least for the next couple of weeks until we hit non-farms, which would be, we start running into that a week from Wednesday. We'll start seeing some pressure from there. So I think there's real potential for vol to keep going lower and the market to move a lot higher, significantly higher, before it's all is said and done. But like I said, just because the cash VIX goes lower doesn't mean it's not your best opportunity to cover short vol today and tomorrow. All right, folks. On the day, some opportunities that we're going to be looking at are going to be, we're going to spend a little more time looking at EFA and EM. And we're going to spend some time looking at EM, EFA, and SPY skew. I think there's trades there. And in terms of kind of retail-y, I mean, I continue to be shocked that some of these names like Under Armour and Nike keep going, but I think they all look like buys at this point, and there's a real opportunity to move things higher. Okay, well, again, if you got questions, email us, mark@optionpit.com, call us 888-TRADE-01, and we look forward to hearing from you. All right, folks, have a great morning.